Welcome. Today I want us to learn how to change the font family that comes by default. So a good example is if you open like Microsoft Office Word, you'll be able to see some of the font families that come embedded with Microsoft Office Word. So you can you can be creative in your own way and customize those font families using at font face rule. But one thing that you need to have first is to either you get to Windows operating system, local disk is seen in Windows, and fonts. Either you come here and you copy some of the fonts that you get here, maybe that you may want, go and use them to your website. Like for example, I can just decide all my H1s they will use this font family, and maybe all my paragraphs will use maybe this font family. So then from there now just copy, go to your work, of course where you have the folder that contains your CSS. You can just put the files there, and maybe you can rename them just to make sure you have a simple name. Like I can say this one was supposed to be for all my headings, so I'll just call it maybe headings. And then now this one is supposed to be used in all the paragraphs, so I can just call them paras, for example. Now from there we need to go to our CSS, and in our CSS we need to define a font, a rule called at font face rule. This is the rule that gives you an opportunity to customize your own font. So we say font family, and then the name of the new font family, I can call it my font. So I've created a font family called my font, and I have to define the source, src full colon URL, and then brackets. Then I say the name of the font family that I want to use. So the first one was headings dot ttf. Then from there now I can decide all my H1s they will use that font family called headings. Called my font. My font is the name of my new font family. So let's see whether all the H1s they will behave. There you go. My font is now working in all H1s. Now the second thing that you can also do as well is maybe we can decide now to create another font face font family using at font face rule again. Now this time around for the paragraphs, at font face, then from there font family, then you define the font family. Let me see, the name of my new font family is my font tone. That is the name of my new font family, and the source of the new font family is a font called paras.ttf. That is the source of my new font family. And maybe I can decide I want all my paragraphs to pick that. All the P's, I want them to use font family called my font tone. So I'm expecting now all the paragraphs from whichever corner they are in my work, they should use my font. Let me see, about us, contact us, homepage. Let me see the paragraphs, so they are picking my new font. There you go, font family, my font 2, and the source, SRC. The source is Paras 2, SRC. So let me confirm once again whether my font family is picking. Good, there you go, my font has worked. So you realize that you can be innovative in your own style, define your new fonts in your own new way. Of course, that way you'll be able to create emphasis of what you want to achieve. The other way maybe you can also create an emphasis is by defining text shadow. Like I can just say text shadow, and then I define maybe 3 pixels and 2 pixels on the sideways, and maybe I want to use color red. Then I'm expecting all the H1s to use that text shadow. Let's go to about us, open the browser. Here you go. So my H1s has picked my text shadow. So that is what I wanted us to do today.